In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord to OBS Studio. So if you want to record any audio inside of Discord, then I'm going to show you how you can go and add this as its own audio track. Now, there's basically two ways to do this. The first method is you have the desktop audio here, and if you go and unmute this and make sure it's turned up, this is going to record any of your desktop sounds. So this does include Discord as well, but just bear in mind that this will also pick up other sounds on your computer. So what you can do instead of this is you can actually add Discord as its own audio track. Now, to do this, just click on the plus icon in the bottom navigation and click on Application Audio Capture. You'll then need to give this the name of Discord and press OK. Click on the drop down next to Window, and from here we need to select Discord. Now, if you can't see it from the list, it's because Discord's not open on your computer. So just open up the Start menu, go and search for Discord and open up the app. You need to make sure you're opening the app and not the web version. Once you have Discord open, you can just go and close out of this window, and we just need to go and re-add this again. You can then click on the drop down arrow, and as you can see, we can now see discord.exe. Go and click on this. You can then press OK. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see we now have Discord as its own audio track, and you can go and adjust the volume controls directly from here.